1966 Ford Mustang Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 200 cubic inch inline 6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Paint coat of 8. So original springtime yellow car. A few spots on it have been touched up, and I'll try to kind of point those out as we go around. Still has a nice shine to it. Good looking car. Get in, turn the key, go have some fun and drive it. That's what I would say. Chrome in the front bumper, looks good. Of course, the Mustang's iconic grille. All right, still pictures. So you'll be able to see the underside, torque boxes, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Mustang wheel covers, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car did originally come with the luxury interior also. So, pony interior. Center console. AM radio is working. Technician noted that. Vinyl roof in nice shape. A few other notes from the technician on this one. New lower ball joints, radius arm bushings, tie rods. Brakes are like new also, front and rear. Newer muffler. Looks like, let's see, tailpipe there. And he also mentioned your typical just powertrain seats, a car that's driven. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Another spot's been touched up over here. See that right there. And we'll get those in the still pictures too. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Touch-up spot by the door here. Touch-up paint match is good. Door panel, good shape. Seating surfaces, I haven't really noticed any major rips, tears, holes in there. Stitching maybe coming apart a little bit. Not bad. Seat belts in place. The headliner looks good. Visors in the right position there. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, there's oil pressure coming up, fuel gauge, amp, temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Like I said, Tech mentioned the radio is working. Top of the dash, good shape. Slip around behind this so you can hear it. Let's go check out that engine bay. Stick around at the very end of the video. Jason will take you for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. And engine bay, so there it is. Again, 200 cubic inches. Inline 6-cylinder power. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. It's enough to get you around. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1966 Ford Mustang in a nice light yellow. Looks like something that could have been on the car originally. Definitely era correct looking color. Black interior, great looking Ford Mustang steering wheel with the inlaid holes and the horn buttons on the end, and the horn is working. This is an automatic right here in the center console, which is another desirable feature to have between the bucket seats, vinyl bucket seats. Very comfortable. Our oil pressure gauge is showing right in the middle of the gauge. The fuel gauge is a quarter of a tank. Our amps are charging a little over half on the gauge, and the coolant temperature just coming up towards a quarter of the way from cold. Speedometer working. Something about those 6-cylinder Mustangs, just smooth running cars. One of the most reliable engines out there too, the straight 6. Both our turn signal indicators are working. AM radio.
20-point lead. Now I know it can be dangerous. I mean,
AM radio working as it should. Black interior, black headliner. We've got some wood grain. 1966. When did they start putting wood grain in vehicles? There's some trivia. Seems to have ended in the early 80s, perhaps? Except for a couple luxurious cars that like the burled and knurled wood grain. This car corners very nicely, brakes nicely. It's a quiet runner. Very refined Mustang, ready to take out for a nice long cruise. Take a look at all the pictures of this 66 Ford Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.